Actress-producer Anushka Sharma has started a campaign demanding stricter laws against animal cruelty. The campaign has been named #JusticeForAnimals, and Anushka, who has a huge social media following of about 60 million followers, has asked for stricter laws to punish the offenders. Anushka has been deeply moved with the incident involving Lucky, a dog who got badly beaten up in Mumbai and died subsequently. Highlighting several gruesome cases of animal atrocities across India, Anushka posted a note demanding policy change. Anushka said, "Lucky was not the only one who faced inhuman cruelty. There are several more cases of dogs being mercilessly attacked and killed across our country. The Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960 needs to be amended to provide justice for animals. We need immediate attention and action on this. There is a need for stricter laws against animal cruelty." IANS report.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.